Welcome to Consumer Pick. The Best LED strip lights is probably one of the most versatile and transformative additions you can make to your kitchen, offering a brilliant blend of functionality and ambience that can completely redefine your culinary space. Imagine effortlessly illuminating your countertops for prep work, casting a warm, inviting glow under cabinets for evening relaxation, or even adding a pop of customizable color to match your mood or decor, all with simple, sleek lighting solutions that are as easy to install as they are to enjoy. Number 5. WOBANE Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit. Introducing the WOBANE Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit. This versatile lighting solution is perfect for enhancing any space in your home. With pre-cut strips and multiple connection options, you can easily customize the lighting for cabinets, desks, bookshelves, and more. It's a great way to personalize your space. Experience super bright, high-quality lighting with a total of 1,500 lumens. You can easily adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambience for any mood or task. Control your lights from up to 60 feet away with the included RF wireless remote. Features include timing, dimming, and dynamic lighting effects for ultimate convenience. Designed with safety in mind, these lights operate on a low DC 12V voltage, producing minimal heat. The reliable kit ensures long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze with no tools required. Simply clean the surface, stick on the lights, and connect. Protect your furniture with our screw-free design. What we like? This kit offers a lot of flexibility with multiple connection options for DIY enthusiasts. The RF remote provides convenient control from a distance. If you're looking for a customizable lighting solution that's easy to install without tools, this is a great choice for upgrading cabinets, shelves, or workspaces. What people say? The lights are very bright and the color options are great. Easy to install and the adhesive is strong. The remote control works well and has many features. Number 4. 30 LED Motion Sensor Cabinet Light, Warm Light, 2-pack. Experience a new level of illumination with our upgraded design. Featuring 30 side-emitting LEDs, it provides brighter light up to 200 lumens without glare, ensuring a soft and comfortable glow. Installation is a breeze. A built-in magnet allows it to stick to any iron surface, or use the included adhesive tape and iron sheet for non-iron surfaces. It's easily removable for charging or repositioning. Choose from 3 modes: always on, off, or motion sensor. In motion sensor mode, it automatically detects movement within 10 feet and turns off after 20 seconds of inactivity, perfect for closets and cabinets. This light features a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, easily charged by USB. Enjoy up to 3 hours of continuous light or weeks of use in motion sensor mode on a single charge. Ideal for bedrooms, closets, cabinets, hallways, and more. Its versatility makes it a great lighting solution for various areas in your home. What we like? This option features a smart motion sensor, making it ideal for areas where you need light only when you need it. Its USB rechargeable design means no constant battery replacements. If you want convenient, energy-saving lighting for closets, pantries, or hallways that activates automatically, this is the one for you. What people say? The lights are very bright and have multiple color options. Easy to install and the adhesive is strong. The remote control works well and has a good range. Number 3. LAFULIT 20 inches Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. Introducing the LAFULIT Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. This versatile lighting solution offers a flexible design to illuminate any area in your home. With multiple connector options, you can easily customize the layout to fit your specific needs. Bend and fold them around corners or bridge gaps with ease. Enjoy a warm white glow with adjustable brightness. Choose from 6 levels to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Control your lighting effortlessly with the included wireless remote or the mini dimmer. Adjust brightness, set timers, and switch modes with a simple touch. Set your lights to turn off automatically with the built-in timer function. It also remembers your last settings, ensuring consistent lighting every time. Installation is a breeze with the strong self-adhesive backing. Simply clean the surface, peel, and stick for instant illumination in minutes. Ideal for kitchens, cabinets, closets, shelves, and more. These lights enhance the look and functionality of any space. What we like? With 8 strips and flexible connectors, this kit provides ample coverage and many layout possibilities. The dual control via remote and dimmer offers great convenience. If you appreciate having precise control over brightness and timing, and want a system that remembers your settings, this is a solid pick for kitchen counters and display shelves. What people say. The lights are bright and the colors are vibrant, making my kitchen look amazing. Easy to install and the adhesive is strong, they've stayed put for months. The remote control is convenient for changing colors and brightness levels. Number 2. BestLuz battery-powered LED strip lights. Introducing our new battery-powered LED strip lights. They offer a simple and convenient lighting solution for any space in your home. Forget complicated wiring. These lights are powered by AA batteries and easily attached to most surfaces with included adhesive tape. Their ultra-thin profile makes them virtually invisible in cabinets, drawers, or closets. The power button is conveniently located for easy access. Each strip provides bright, neutral white light, perfect for illuminating shelves, under counters, or inside closets with a clean and lively look. These lights are 3.33 feet long and can be cut to size, ensuring a perfect fit for under cabinets or shelves of any dimension. We stand by our product with a 12-month warranty. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. This is a fantastic option for those who want a completely wireless and discreet lighting solution. Powered by batteries, it's incredibly easy to install anywhere without worrying about outlets or cords. If you need simple, flexible lighting for shelves, under cabinets, or inside closets where wiring is difficult, this cordless strip is perfect. What people say. The lights are very bright and have multiple color options. Easy to install with adhesive backing. The remote control makes it simple to change colors and brightness. Number 1. DAYBETTER White LED Strip Light. Introducing our new LED strip light, designed to illuminate your home with a bright, daylight white glow. It's perfect for lighting up dark rooms, cabinets, mirrors, and any corner that needs a little extra light. Easily control the ambience of your space with adjustable brightness. Use the simple control box to dim or brighten the lights to suit any occasion or mood. Setting up your new lighting is a breeze. Ensure the surface is clean and dry before application for a secure and simple installation. Need a specific length? You can easily cut the strip to fit your needs. Simply cut between the designated marks, which are located every 3 LEDs. Operating at a safe 24-volt, these lights are ideal for a wide range of indoor lighting and decoration purposes. Enhance your home's aesthetic with this versatile lighting solution. What we like. This long, daylight white rope light is perfect for creating a bright, clean ambience across large areas. Its dimmable feature allows you to set the mood for any occasion. If you're looking to illuminate an entire room, a large kitchen area, or create a striking effect around mirrors, this extended, bright white strip is an excellent choice. What people say. The lights are very bright and provide excellent illumination for my kitchen. Easy to install and the adhesive is strong, holding the strip securely in place. The dimming feature is fantastic, allowing me to adjust the brightness to suit different tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.